Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the world's most cheesiest nachos ever. So what you're going to need are these things. Now one of them are these nacho flavored Doritos. The reason why it's already cheesy flavored is because we're aiming the highest amount of cheesiness and tastiness ever. Now the second thing that you're going to need is this. Black diamond marble cheese, okay? There's literally no other cheese that even comes close to the amount of flavor that this gives, okay? And I'm pretty sure that the rest is simple. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to grab a nice big plate like this, and then you're gonna want to set it down, grab your cheese grater, and then open up your cheese right here. I actually just took this out of the freezers. So the amount of cheese you would want is, oh my god. Okay, there. You would want about this much cheese. So now, the next thing that you're gonna want to do is grab your Doritos and then open them and then just simply pour them on the plate. Now the next thing that you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to just spread all of the chips out evenly like this. And this is a step that most people actually miss because, you know, you don't get the cheese to chip ratio right. And if you don't get the cheese to chip ratio right, when you're done, you're either left with too many chips or too much cheese. And that's something that nobody wants. Make sure you wash your hands before doing this. You know, if you're serving this to multiple people, then, you know, you're going to want to wash your hands. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to grab your cheese grater and you're going to want to just grate the cheese. Alright, so now when you're done grating your cheese, this is what your nachos should look like. It should look a little bit like this. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take this, put it in your microwaves, and then set it for like a minute. So you can actually see in the microwave, when the cheese starts looking all goopy and everything, that's when you know that you're all done. That should be good. Let's try the nachos. Look how delicious that looks. And it actually smells and tastes a lot better than it looks. So you can see right here, nice stretchy, that's hot. Nice stretchy cheese right here. And yeah. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you loved it, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye!